how to claim your dog's token to Bybit wallet. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can claim your dog's token to your Bybit wallet. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open the Docs app on Telegram and click on the deposit to exchange option. Over here, you will see a list of exchanges. Select Bybit. After that, make sure you already have a Bybit account. If you do, click Yes, I have it to proceed. Then input your Bybit UID, Docs deposit address, and memo. Next, go to your Bybit account and navigate to your profile to locate your UID. Copy the UID and paste it into the required field in the Docs app. After that, go to the Assets section in Bybit, click on Deposit and search for Docs. Then select the Docs token, choose the TUN network and copy the wallet address and memo. Now go back to the Docs app, paste the wallet address and memo and double check all the details. Finally, click Send, confirm the transaction and wait for the deposit to be processed. So that's how you can claim your Docs token to your Bybit wallet. That's all for this video.